Morning, Steve Ray in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Overnight, beans, meal, and oil are higher, while corn and wheat is lower. Wheat sharply lower is more long liquidation out of this recent sharp rally up. As far as news, today is the March USDA report, and what I'm hearing is that they may address some of the lower crop production numbers in South America, which could increase U.S. corn and bean exports and lower the carryout. The problem is they may not address what's going on in the Black Sea. And again, some people believe that as much as 15 million tons of wheat and 15 million tons of corn may not be shipped out of the Black Sea because of the war. A lot of headlines yesterday. The first one that caused the market to break sharply was that Ukraine may no longer want to be part of NATO. No confirmation of that yet. The second headline that came out was the fact that this was just before the close, that Russia was going to have banning some exports. We don't know the list. It should be out today, but I think if wheat's included, you actually could see the wheat market rally on that news. We also noted that the reason for these export ban is that there are some shortages in Russia of basic things like wheat flour and cooking oil. We also noted that Russia is approving 30 vessels of wheat and sunflower oil to Turkey. But when we look at world vegetable oil markets and the soybean oil market, we've got Indonesia talking about export restrictions on palm oil. We may not see Ukraine ship sun oil. So world rapeseed oil prices are sharply higher. Malaysian palm oil futures are sharply higher. And soybean oil futures in the May new contract highs overnight. We also, as far as the USDA is concerned, not much change as far as the trade is concerned in the corn and wheat carryouts or global supply and demand. So we'll see how the market wants to react to that. We did hear that China may have bought anywhere from 6 to 8 old crop U.S. Soybean cargoes yesterday as they continue to try to fill in imports to satisfy their crush needs. But as we mentioned yesterday, while their Jan-Feb numbers are up 4%, year-to-date numbers are down 7% versus a 3% decline estimated by the USDA. Weather-wise, South America continues to see mostly scattered showers across both Argentina and Brazil. Here in the U.S., Southern Plains is mostly dry. For the next 2 to 3 weeks, there are going to be chances of some precip in the Southern Plains, but starting maybe the second week in April, we're going to go into a more ridgy pattern. We also see continued shower activity, especially in the Delta and Ohio River Valley, that could delay plantings there. So, as always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day. And remember, always treat people like you yourself would like to be treated.